We'll guide you through how to add a new page in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your computer and go to the document where you want to add a new page. Once you have your document open, scroll to the point where you want to insert the new page. This could be at the end of your document or somewhere in the middle. To add a new page, you're going to need to insert a page break. You can do this by placing your cursor at the desired location in the text. Then, go up to the top menu, click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Break. You'll see an option for Page Break, click that. Google Docs will automatically move the text following your cursor to the next page, creating a new page in your document. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac to insert a page break quickly. This is a great way to manage your document effectively, especially if you're working on long reports or manuscripts. Keep in mind that if you don't see the page break, you might need to enable View and then Show Print Layout to make sure everything displays properly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.